accessories. And we're gonna take out this track and set it up. I think that's all your parts to the helicopter. Show me the helicopter. There it is. Oh, good job. Oh, look at this, Bri. Is this the fire truck?
Yeah.
In the package? What else? And what's this one, Bri? Ambulance. Oh, one more. Ta-da! What's this one? Police car. That's it. Oh, good job. Which button for the bridge? The yellow handle. Push it up and down. So there's a crane. Oh, lift up the crane. Wow, look at that. Now, which button is for? The red car has to go through first. Try the green one. How to get this one go though? This one, oh, twist it. See, turn. Oh, there it is. You turn it again. Now you go up. This is so much fun. Oh, so go
No, I
up.
can't go up though.
This you can go up.
Oh yeah.
See? Oh, look at the helicopter flying.
Hey Brian, why does it make this thing fly?
Yes. The police car's turn. Oh, whoa.
But it's supposed to land somewhere.
This is just a fun toy. Oh.
It's supposed to land somewhere.
The bridge is open. The helicopter has a magnet on the bottom. You suck it up with cars and you keep twisting until it drops on the track. Now it goes through the bridge. Oh, crane, come on, lift it up. Whee! Finish the race. Good job. So we have this great learning toy. Each tools has a color and a symbol to let kids find out which tool to use to solve the problem, complete the race.
A brand new toy. You have 3 choices. 1 ambulance, 1 police, 1 fire truck.
Now you need to use a green button to wind it up. Go, 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 go up the elevator. Keep going. The helicopter is spinning around waiting to pick you up. Go, police car. Alrighty. Get on top of him. There's a magnet. Suck him up. Perfect. And drop him. He's gonna take the bridge, cross the river. Oh, the bridge is open. Whee! Oh, there's a crane. Lift him up. Whee! Arrived. Perfect, the circle.
First, we're going to start off with the ambulance. Up you go. Next, police car. Twist it up. Twist it up. Now they're into a little tree. Ryan, spin it. Other way, other way. Now,
Push the yellow button.
oh.
Helicopter is going to pick him up.
Lift me up.
Woo!
Here we go.
Oh my gosh!
Cookie!
That boy's crawling through the tunnel with some yummy cookies. Are these real? Are those cookies real? Oh, neighbor, you didn't say thank you.
for today. We are going to wrap it up here. And we
Enjoy
are
some
going to enjoy
cookies.
our delicious cookies. And let's eat.
Let's eat.
Bye.
Hi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
See, let me try again.
Tap it gently. Like this.
Yay, you got it. Spin, keep spin until you
Keep turning. No,
keep
Brian,
turning
keep turning.
Keep turning the green button. Yay! Now go through the bridge.
Hold on.